In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fully install 360 Total Security program on your PC. So this is an antivirus program that's going to help you get rid of viruses, malwares, ransomwares, and the rest on your PC. So it's available on Windows. You can see here it's available on Mac as well. So if you want to download for Mac, just tap on this online installer and you're going to download the extension and you proceed with the tutorial. So in this video, I'm using a Windows, so I'm going to go with this Windows here. So let's first start. So you just hop on your browser like this, any browser you're using. I'm on Chrome, so you search for this here, download, and you hop on their official website. You can see this is their official website. Don't hop on any third-party website, hop on here. So their software comes in a premium and a free version, and then business version as well. So let's go with the free version. If you want a premium version, you can tap on this and then proceed with the downloads. So now let's tap on this here, online installer, and you can see it redirects me to this page here, and then I'll have to, you can see this is a setup, so I just need to save the setup. I already have it, so let me cancel it and let me come here and let me open it. So let me come here, let me open the setup. So I think I have it here. You can see this is it, so I double tap it and then let me proceed with the installation. You can see, so I just tap on the install for it to do some 1, 2, 3 downloads, just like I'm installing Chrome browser. Okay, so our 360 Total Security is fully installed here. You can see, so now let's tap on the continue here, and we are done with the installation. You can see it's appearing on my desktop here, and this is a startup something for it. This is for it. So let me show you guys how you can proceed with your scans and the rest. So you can see, you just open it like this. This is how it is. So let me cancel this. When you install it, it comes with a lot of apps. This is their browser. I'm not going to install all that. Let's cancel this. So to run a full check, whether you want to check whether your PC has some malware or virus, you can see when you open it, this is a full check here. This is a virus scan. This is a speed check. This is a cleanup. So you can do all that. So this is a good software that can help you do a lot, not only catching virus. You can also speed up your PC and clean up some space, some junk files as well. So for full checkup, you just tap on the check now and you're good to go. I'm going to run the check. You can see you can select from all these one and then proceed with your scans, and that's it on how you can install a fully functioning 360 Total Security on your PC. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can uninstall it. So just like I said earlier, it comes with a lot of apps, so you can choose to ignore them, don't install them. So I'm going to close it. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section of this video. I'm going to do well to give you an answer. Peace.